How to get trade finance support from Bronzewing Trading. Do you have a need for trade finance facilities from good-rated banks, but not sure where to get started with your trade finance requirement? In this video, let us explain the process to get trade finance facilities. Whether you require letter of credit, standby letter of credit, or any other types of bank guarantees, you need to contact us with your request by filling the form available in the Contact Us page. Our team will study your request and get back to you with a free quote within 24 hours. If you are okay to proceed with us, we will send a service agreement to be signed and the service charges to be paid. And then, instantly, we will start working with our bank to structure your transaction by blocking our own bank limit. We will send the draft of the required instrument for your review and approval. If the draft is approved, you need to pay the issuance fee charges required to initiate the issuance of bank instrument as per your trade transaction. After the receipt of charges, we will instruct our bank to issue the bank instrument to your counterparty's bank account via authenticated SWIFT. If you want to know further about the L.L.C, SBLC, and bank guarantee issuance process, you can refer the links given in the description box. For more info, contact us today. Email us, support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us, 971-455-19699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom, 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.